Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are gonna talk about fixing Ads.txt file issues on your Google Adsense account. So in order to check whether your Ads.txt file is working perfectly on your website domain name, all you have to do is to open a new browser and type in your domain name /ads.txt. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. For instance, this is one of my websites, and when I added /ads.txt to my domain name, this is what I'm getting: page not found. So if you are getting something like this, that means your Ads.txt files is actually not set up and installed correctly, and this can have a negative impact or a severe impact on your revenue. As you can see here, Google is telling me that my earnings is at risk and I need to fix some Ads.txt file issues to avoid severe impact on my revenue. So to do that, all you have to do is to log into your website cPanel and then go to the file manager like this. So when you click on the file manager, all you have to do is make sure that you have to download the file.txt file given to you by Google Adsense account, and then once you download it on your laptop or on your computer, make sure that you go to this file manager and then go to public.html file. So I'm going to access my domain from here. So this is the public.html file. So click on the public.html file, and now I can click on upload. So click on upload, then click on select file, and then I'm going to upload the Ads.txt file given to me by Google. So one thing you have to know here is that your Ads.txt file is going to include your publisher ID, and your publisher ID is actually unique for each of your Adsense accounts. So now once you are done uploading the file, all you just have to do is close it. You can click on go back. Now we can try to reload our page again with the domain name /ads.txt file, and then let's see if it's actually going to work. Now the last thing which I would like to make mention is that when you upload your publisher, your Ads.txt to your website file, it may not populate instantly. As you can see on my website, it's actually not working right now, so you have to give it some it might take some time before it populates. So if you come back to your Adsense account, Adsense will tell you, Google will tell you that it might take a few days for changes to update. If you are using another network, remember to add the network to the Ads.txt file. So sometimes you just have to give it some time for Google to refresh your website, and then your Ads.txt file will synchronize automatically with your domain name. So this is how you can quickly fix your issues relating to creating, adding or updating your Ads.txt file to your website. Alright guys, that will be all for this video. We have learned how to sort and how to fix some Ads.txt file issues which might have a severe impact revenue on your website. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you in the next video.